Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you are following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there which you should not miss. How to start preparing for 3-year law entrance exams from December without coaching. Is it the right time or I have missed the train? This is one question that have been asked again and again. Ki ma'am, can we prepare for 3-year law entrance exams from now on, from December, or it is too late? Or some even have asked that is it too early? Should we just do a 30-day crash course and go through it? Well, this is the right time, the perfect time, because when you look at the calendar, you'll see, oh, the exam is there, exam aane wala hai, and then you have time also. You have time, but exam is also almost there. I mean, when there is stress, but there's also time, we work the best way. थोड़ा pressure भी होना चाहिए और थोड़ा time भी होना चाहिए, right? So yeah, this is the right time, but how you need to utilize this time, use कैसे करना है इस time को बहुत ही सही तरीके से, right way, there should be a correct way. You need to do certain things certain way to make sure that you crack the exams. That is what I'm going to discuss in this video. Chalo, let's get into the video. Step 1. Decide about the exams that you are going to give. Now this is one of the important things जो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग पहले डिसाइड कर लें, बिकॉज अगर आप डिसाइड कर लेंगे कि आपको कौन से एग्जाम्स देने हैं तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली उनका सिलेबस देखेंगे, ठीक है ना, कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं वो देखेंगे. देखिए, वन थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट व्हेन यू आर अपियरिंग फॉर अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, द सिलेबस इज वास्ट. देयर आर सो मेनी टॉपिक्स, राइट? वास्ट सिलेबस होता है. तो हमारा एम क्या होना चाहिए? व्हाट शुड बी आवर एम शुड बी दैट फर्स्टली वी कवर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हमें कैसे पता चलेंगे? जब हम डिसाइड कर लेंगे कि हमें कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स देने हैं, राइट? एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स ओवरलैप करते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो होते हैं वो सबके ओवरलैप करते हैं. तो अगर आप डिसाइड कर लेंगे, यू हैव डिसाइडेड द एग्जाम्स दैट आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू, यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली बिगिन विद योर प्रिपरेशन. नाउ हाउ टू डिसाइड? हमें डिसाइड करने के लिए ऑप्शंस पता होनी चाहिए. दैट ऑप्शंस क्या अवेलेबल हैं. तो मैंने एक वीडियो करी हुई है जिसके अंदर मैंने बताया हुआ है कि कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस हैं जहाँ पे 3-year लॉ कोर्स है, फीस क्या है, ठीक है. देन आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द बेसिक्स, द फीस, द प्लेसमेंट्स, everything that you need to know, how you can get admission there. Do watch that video. I leave the link to it in the description box below. I've done a detailed analysis of these exams also. Analysis का मतलब कि पैटर्न क्या है, अगर आप टॉपिक्स कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ठीक है, नंबर 1, नंबर 2, बुक्स कौन सी एग्जाम के लिए कौन सी बुक बेटर है, ठीक है, ये सब कुछ मैंने डिस्कस किया हुआ है. तो अगर आप वो वीडियोस देखेंगे, दैट हाउ यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर से दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, महाराष्ट्र सीईटी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, IIT Kharagpur, any 3-year law entrance exam, and you'll find the video. I'll try to leave the link to every video in the description box below. Now, which university is your priority? Now, for someone, Delhi University can be the priority, while for someone else, IIT Kharagpur can be a priority, while for someone else, Banaras Hindu University can be a प्रायोरिटी. तो आपका जो प्रायोरिटी है, जिस यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज को आप प्रायोरिटी दे रहे हो कि मेरी इसके अंदर फर्स्ट चॉइस, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये मेरी फर्स्ट चॉइस है, ऑब्वियसली आप उसके सिलेबस को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दोगे. आपको अपनी प्रायोरिटी भी पता होनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट इज माई सजेशन. नाउ माई सजेशन फॉर विच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स यू शुड गिव is Delhi University, Symbiosis and Maharashtra CET. These are very important exams. बाकी जो मर्जी एग्जाम दो, but please ये तीनों एग्जाम्स जरूर दो. They take you to universities that are going to change your life forever and ever. Okay. Step 2. Check out the previous year question papers. Very, very important step. I know a lot, many of you will say क्या ही ज़रूरत है. Even if you are going for coaching, you should pick up the previous year question papers of the law entrance exams that you want to give and analyze and look at them yourself. What to analyze? Look at the topics. कौन से topics हैं? क्या have you seen these topics earlier or they're completely new? How many questions are there? How many hours are given? I know I discuss all this in my videos, but if you have a look at the question paper, so you can know that you know how much time is given to answer these questions. Do you need to work on your speed? So you get an idea, right? Even if you don't know the name of the topics, is completely fine. I've done detailed analysis of almost all the law entrance exams that take place. I'll leave the link to all of those entrance exam videos in the description box below. You can check them out. but do analyze the entrance exam question paper yourself also. It is very important. I know it will take 2 to 3 hours or 2 hours, say, but those 2 hours are going to help you a lot. And make sure that you have the hard copy of these previous year question papers with you, so that whenever you get confused that should you do this topic or not, you look into the previous year question papers and then decide, right? Next is creating a combined syllabus. I know this is another task, but if you do this task, your life is going to be really easy. Now, what I mean by combined syllabus is, for example, the main exam that you have, the most important exam for you is Delhi University. Say, for example, I'm taking, for example, you note down the topics of logical reasoning. You say I have to do blood relations, I have to do syllogisms, or any other XYZ, right? Now, for example, you say, okay, I have to give Maharashtra CET also. Now, most of the topics are going to be same, but there are going to be 2 to 3 topics that are going to be different. Now you add those topics here, so you're getting what I'm trying to say, right? Make a list, which is your list, syllabus list, and also in that, please mark the important topics. Mark the important topics. It is very important because that would help you in making your plan, and that would also make sure that you cover the important topics first, and the ones that are there kabhi kabar, matlab, dicey topics that are there, only one question comes from that topic, or there are topics which tend to come sometimes and sometimes there is no question from that topic. We cover those topics afterwards, okay? Create a plan or schedule. Very, very important. I've done a detailed video about how to create a plan, though in that video I've written that it is for CLAT, but it works for any or every competitive exam, not only for CLAT. So do check out that video. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. But now also I'm giving you an overview of what you need to plan and how you need to plan. Now, what you need to decide, number one thing that you need to decide is that in how much time you're going to complete your syllabus. Now see, December is there. I know most of December is there. Let's assume this. Now December you have your holidays. January also first week you're going to have your holidays. December you need to utilize very nicely. Pick up the important topics, right? I'll say that you are going to do your current affairs every day. Current affairs are you're going to do them every day, and then you're also going to pick up 2 sections or subjects every day, right? You're going to plan your schedule in such a way that you're covering topics from one subject every day. Now I'm not saying that I complete one topic in one day, but yes, parts of a topic can be there if it's a long topic, and if it's a small topic you can also cover one complete topic in one day, right? So this kind of schedule in December, try to cover at least 2 sections and good amount of current affairs. In January also, like, I know most of you are going to be giving your graduation final exams, so there are going to be times when you have to prepare for your graduation exams, then you have your exams. So make sure that you make good use of 2 to 3 months that you have. Okay, if you utilize these months very wisely, I'm 101% sure that you're going to clear the exam. Right now, next thing that you need to decide on, like, one thing is that till when you're going to complete your syllabus, because you're not only going to complete your syllabus, you have to also attempt your mocks, you have to take section wise tests, right? Now on the study material thing, say you have this coaching material, you have some other books also that you have bought on recommendations, so you need to decide that if you have to cover, say for example, Indian Constitution, from which book you're going to read the theory, from where you're going to solve the MCQs, that you have to decide while you're planning. Very important. It should not be the case that you're sitting in front of your study table and you're deciding on the day of covering the topic that from where you're going to cover. Okay, this should not happen. You should not waste your time. When you are going to attempt mock test, now I have told you that obviously you're going to take full length mocks, because you're going to solve full length question papers of the entrance exam that you're going to give, especially the previous year question papers, because you not only have to solve the question correctly, you also have to complete the question paper. You have to also give answer all the questions in the stipulated time. So you need to have good speed. You need to have accuracy and speed together. You have to work on that. Time management, some things that you need to really work on. It should not be the case that when you go to give your exam, it should not be the first time that you're giving a full length paper, right? Because then you are under stress. You need to know how to manage stress. That is also there. So yeah, it's not just that आपका syllabus exam से एक दिन पहले complete हो रहा है. No, you have to do a lot more things. So make sure that your syllabus is covered quickly. One big question that everyone has is from where to begin. I think that is the right question कि कौन से topic से we should start. I think Indian Constitution is one of the most important topics and you'll find direct questions from this topic in every 3-year law entrance exam. Right now the number may vary, but they are there. So Indian Constitution is one of the most important topics. And also, if you want to know how you should cover Indian Constitution, I've done a detailed video on it. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. And I also have a detailed micro course wherein I've picked up every topic of Indian Constitution and explained it. So if you face problem with understanding of Indian Constitution, then do enroll for that course. That is really nice. You can rehear the videos. I've explained everything, right? The videos are going to be available for you till the time you don't appear for your entrance exam, so you will find the details of that course in the description box below. Current affairs are equally important and you need to focus on them. The question would be that, ma'am, you say that we have to cover current affairs from January 2020 to June 2021 or May 2021 till the exam doesn't take place. Right now, a lot of you would have this question: April से करना है, January से करना है. लोग safe side January से कर लो, January 2020 से लेके June 2021 तक. So how to cover the previous month's current affairs? देखिए, सबसे पहले तो आज से ही newspaper पढ़ना start कर दीजिए. Why I'm telling you to read newspaper is that when you read newspaper, you'll find that बहुत सारी न्यूज़ वही चली आ रही है. कुछ एडिटोरियल्स होंगे जो पिछली न्यूज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे. तो not only the current news would get covered but the previous also, and you will understand the background of the news. Right now, why it is difficult to learn current affairs is because we don't know the background. We don't know ये हुआ क्यों. Right? So if you start reading the newspaper from today itself, and also you start covering the previous month's current affairs by buying any magazine. Now I say you can buy any current affairs magazine like that of Pratyogita Dharma, News and Events, Titsbits, any of such magazines. I leave the link of all these magazines in the description box below. And how to choose? Now that is another question. That order one month's edition. Say January 2020 का तीनों का edition order कर लिया, and then you see which one do you like, from which one do you feel like studying, right? And then order from January 2020 till December 2020 or whenever you are starting to prepare for the exam, right? So you need to do this, and eventually towards the end of this video I'm going to discuss it how you should learn, right? The next topic that you can go for is logical reasoning and English. Now current affairs जितना मर्जी पढ़ लो, you cannot be sure that what kind of questions you'll be getting, but that doesn't mean stops us from studying current affairs. The number of questions asked from current affairs are so many that we cannot ignore current affairs as a section, right? But logical reasoning and English are such that if you study or if you practice blood relations question or coding decoding, you can attempt them, right? And they are some short questions. I like to call them that way. Now short questions होंगे तो logical और English में RC solve करना हमने practice कर ली. Logical के अंदर blood relations tables वाले questions होते हैं, directions and tense वाले questions होते हैं. अगर हम वो अच्छे से practice कर ले तो वो short questions बन सकते हैं हमारे 101% sure वाले questions, नहीं तो 99% वाले. ठीक है? Now the next is important topics of static GK. Now if you analyze the previous year question papers of different law entrance exams, you'll see that static GK culture is going. It's more of current affairs now, but still there are 3-year law entrance exams wherein static GK is asked. So pick up the particular topics and cover the MCQs only. There are various books like that of Lewson's, Pearson's. I am not in favor of those books because students normally don't get to know that what is important. They face this problem, so it is better that you're going for universals, you're going for singles. What you can do is you can just pick up the MCQs and solve them because they're important, and that way your topic also gets covered, right? Covering the important topics first. Now this is very important. When I say that Jan-Feb तक अपना syllabus खत्म कर लो या March तक syllabus खत्म कर लो max, I mean to say that your important short topics should be done 100%, right? How to study. Now you should know that when you will say कि मेरा topic ये हो गया, when you are done with the theory and the MCQ of that topic, For example, you starting with Indian Constitution. Your Indian Constitution would be done when you study the theory part and you also attempt the MCQs. Very important. हमने Indian Constitution के around 400 to 500 minimum MCQ सॉल्व करने हैं सिंगल्स या फिर यूनिवर्सल्स की बुक में से. एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग लीगल एप्टीट्यूड्स बुक बाय AB Bharadwaj or any other book, XYZ book which has MCQs, you have to solve MCQs. Very important. And this goes for everything: your logical reasoning, English, maths, every subject, legal aptitude. You have to solve questions, MCQs, right? Next is making notes. Now, you don't have to really make those neat, clear notes, but yeah, like for example, for logical reasoning, making the list of the tricks. Whenever we solve questions, हमें कोई ना कोई हमें पता चलता है, अच्छा ये question ऐसे solve करेंगे तो जल्दी हो जाएगा या ऐसे सही हो जाएगा. Make a note of those tricks in the book itself, right? So that whenever you come back to that topic, you can revise the tricks. नेक्स्ट इज मैथ्स ऑल्सो फॉर्मूला की लिस्ट बन सकती है. इंग्लिश में ग्रामर के जितने भी रूल्स हैं उनकी लिस्ट बन सकती है ना, ठीक है. जीके के अंदर इफ यू वांट टू मेक नोट्स ऑफ जीके यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो, राइट. Notes, these kind of notes I'm talking about. When you're reading a paragraph or you're reading a topic which is in form of paragraph, make notes, mark the important, right? If you are solving MCQs, you find a very important MCQ, put a asterisk mark over there so that whenever you revise or there's MCQ है जो आपने गलत attempt करा है उसको mark करो so that you revise it again and again and you don't attempt the same MCQ wrong in the exam. On weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, new topics. Saturday, Sunday, you're going to revise them and you're going to attempt topic-wise tests so that आपको पता रहे कि कितना अच्छा आप perform कर रहे हो. Topic-wise tests can be found online. There are so many, right? Next is section-wise test. आपका एक पूरा section खत्म हो गया, logical reasoning पूरा complete हो गया, English complete हो गया, section-wise test लो उसके. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को हमने एज मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना ही करना है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपका स्केड्यूल, व्हाट योर स्केड्यूल, योर प्लान शुड लुक लाइक और what should be the timeline. Basically this is a hint. मैं आपको आइडिया देना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे कब आपको अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लेना चाहिए. देखिए, दिसंबर इज द टाइम दैट यू हैव हॉलीडेज. मेक गुड यूज ऑफ इट. जनवरी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई थिंक अप्रैल मार्च में सबके एग्जाम्स होते हैं एंड मई जून के अंदर आपके लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स होते हैं. नॉर्मली 3 ईयर लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स जून में होते हैं, मई जून में. प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा जून में होती है बट मई में भी हो जाते हैं, राइट. तो आपके पास इतने महीने, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, जिसमें से इफ़ यू हैव टू अपीयर फॉर योर ग्रेजुएशन फाइनल ईयर examination, that also time you have to cross out. Say for March and April, if you have your exams in April, March and April you are studying for those, you have 3 months, right? तो सबके पास मोटे मोटे 3 months, 2 to 3 months आते हैं. तो if you study for these 2 to 3 months nicely, I'll say put in good 1.5 2 months to complete your syllabus. साथ में section wise test, chapter wise test लो and full length mock test भी attempt करने की कोशिश. So that is what you need to do and you're good to go. Okay? How to learn previous month's current affairs? ये बहुत ही बड़ा question है because I know majority of you have not been following newspapers, current affairs magazine, and it is now that you want to learn everything, right? This fine happens with everyone. Majority of students have cracked law entrance exams. ऐसे ही क्रैक किया है सबने, राइट. सो डू नॉट वरी. बट अब से स्टार्ट कर दो बिकॉज देखो कितनी सारी करंट अफेयर्स हैं जो आपको कवर करनी है और लर्न कैसे करनी है वो मैं बता रही हूँ. जनवरी 2020 टू मई 2021 एटलीस्ट की आपने करंट अफेयर्स कवर करनी है 3 ईयर लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए. डिसाइड द सोर्स. मैंने आपको बताया कि न्यूज़ एंड इवेंट्स हैं, ठीक है. ऑनलाइन कितने सारे सोर्सेज हैं, प्रतियोगिता दर्पण है, टिट्स बिट्स हैं. जो भी एक सोर्स डिसाइड कर लिया, वन सोर्स, उसको ही फॉलो करना है. ये नहीं करना कि जनवरी की न्यूज़ एंड इवेंट्स में से कर ली, फरवरी की प्रतियोगिता दर्पण में से और मार्च की टिट्स बिट्स में से. नहीं, बिकॉज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बहुत सारी मैगजीन्स जो होता है ना, वो मे बी जनवरी की न्यूज़ वो फरवरी में कवर कर दें, फरवरी की मार्च में कवर कर दें कि रह गई थी, राइट. सो यू हैव टू make sure that you follow one source. It could be any source. Next is mark and learn. Make sure that you mark the important news and you learn. अब कैसे पता चले कि क्या important है? देखिए, to know that what is important, if you have analyzed the question papers अच्छे से, if you have analyzed the previous year question papers, you know what is important. भारत रत्न किसको मिला है, it is important. कौन कौन से अवार्ड्स important है, जब आपने previous year question papers analyze किए होंगे आपको पता होगा. अच्छा, स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर ये वाली गेम का कौन किसने विन की, important, right? So analyze the previous year question papers closely for GK specifically. Take monthly tests, again very important. GK याद करो, लिख कर याद करो, ठीक है? Revise and revise. If you say I'll read January का news once and I'll learn it, you're wrong. You need to revise it at least 3 to 4 times to remember it. Retain तो करना पड़ेगा ना. अगर रिटेन नहीं करोगे एग्जाम तक, याद नहीं रहेगा, तो फायदा क्या न्यूज़ पढ़ने का? तो इसलिए रिवाइज एंड रिवाइज, मार्क एंड लर्न, रिवाइज एंड लर्न, टेक मंथली टेस्ट एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट यू राइट एंड लर्न. लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा. चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पर मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ. वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके. वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ. आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय.